All right, jumping right into Q3, we will cover protocol updates, governance improvements, recovery efforts, and then finally our BTC strategy updates. On the protocol side, we've built important internal tooling, which includes a real-time dashboard that shows the stream sync health and cross-link messages, and also a view for 1 second finality so we can see real block creation and validation times end to end, which helps with performance fixing and also makes sure that all our improvements are verified. As a reminder, 1 second finality, even sub-second finality, has been achieved on devnet, and we are continuing testing to ensure resilience as we move forward. Stream sync kept improving. It's stable on devnet and now running on testnet. On the upgrade side, we made progress on key Ethereum proposals, enhancing the Ethereum and Harmony connection, EIP 2537, built-in support for a newer digital signature, so certain checks are faster and cheaper. That has been implemented and merged. EIP 2935, easy on-chain access to past blocked hashes, which helps wallets tools stay in sync, has been implemented and is awaiting final merge. And then EIP 1153, temporary storage that clears after transactions, lowering fees and reducing unnecessary data, has been implemented on devnet. And then finally, for the protocol, the London fork is live on testnet after successful devnet runs. As always, the progress is all open source and can be tracked on our YouTube, our X, and then as well as the Harmony GitHub. For governance updates, we recently launched the first version of the Harmony governance platform, a return to Harmony's original voting flow. It uses a 2-step quorum that matches how Harmony governance works, which is actually different from what previously Snapshot enabled and offered. The new platform gives delegators more of a choice during voting rather than previous validator lock-in. There's a support for hybrid on and off chain processes and lets validators vote via CLI. For Q4 updates, we're looking to potentially add the validator opt-in and opt-out flags. We may have to include a threshold like a 33% stake weight minimum to ensure voting integrity. The goal again for all of this is more participation and faster, clearer outcomes. To explain the voting process a bit further, the return is to the original Harmony process of validators voting, and then delegators are able to point and direct their delegation based on if they agree with the validator or not. Previously with Snapshot, that was locked in, so when you first voted, no matter what your validator voted, even if you moved your delegation or you disagreed, you weren't able to have a voice. So now with the new platform, that is returned. Now for recovery proposals, we're working with the community and validators on accelerated recovery proposals. Notable ones include Thinkin' Coin's recovery swap aggregation at dex.country and Cryptoland DAO's CLD recovery at rug.cryptolanddao.com with a finalized proposal set planned for Q4. You can track progress at utilitydao.one/recovery and of course chefsoysauce.io, and then go to the Harmony projects. Finally, our BTC strategy, what the team has been continuing to work hard on. This quarter, we continued our push towards treasury sustainability. We went back to the basics with liquidity pools, analyzing millions of transactions and wallet behaviors, and learned from top performers, looking at both profits and risk. Our internal results show about 40% base yearly returns, and that's before compounding. The next steps include finishing validation and launching the strategy fully internally, then opening it up to the ecosystem for participation via vaults so the community can have direct yield access, but as well have the sustainable yield be deployed across the ecosystem. So that's Q3. We've continued to improve on the previous quarter's initial discoveries, double down on sustainable yields, especially with the depth that we've gone in Q3 for Bitcoin, and continued making important protocol upgrades. Look out for updates from Elena as we ship the next checkpoints on our BTC strategy, protocol improvements, and accelerated recovery.